Hello and welcome to PMCLounge.com. This is Lounge Fever, a series of videos wherein we try to answer your burning questions. A question that came in as a comment basically was, how do you remember these many formulas for EVM, which we have recently discussed? And link to those videos in the description. Check them out. Also, there will be a link in the description to all the Lounge Fever videos that we have done. The entire playlist will be the first link in the description. So do check that out if you have any questions related to cost management. Chances are we would have already answered them. If not, we'll definitely try to make a video on it. Do leave in your comments. Now, let's look into how you can remember EVM formulas, specifically the schedule and cost related formulas SV, SPI, CV, and CPI. Let's get started. So, the formulas involve either division or subtraction from EV. Very simple, right? EV earned value, you either do a division or subtraction from EV on all these four formulas. Okay, let's move on. Variance is always a subtraction. So whenever you're calculating variance, which means SV and CV, you are always doing a subtraction. Index is always a division. Index means SPI and CPI. This is always a division. Schedule involves PV. So when you're talking about schedule, you'll involve PV, which is plan value. And cost will always involve AC, which is actual cost. So here the formulas are. SV is EV minus PV. How come? Well, because all formulas involved either division or subtraction from EV. So you see EV is here, and schedule involves PV. So PV is here. So you get the idea, right? Now let's look into one more formula. CV is equals to EV minus AC, because again, all formulas involve EV. So you have EV here, and then cost involves AC, so you have AC here. So I hope this is clear. And when we are talking about variance, of course, we are doing a subtraction when we are talking about CV and SV, because variance is always a subtraction. But when we talk about index, it is always a division. So we basically take the same values, EV, PV, EV, AC, and we do a division for SPI and CPI, which is Schedule Performance Index and Cost Performance Index. Another thing to quickly remember is this table. Variance, which means SV and CV, if it is negative, it's bad. If it is positive, it's good. So CV, negative will be bad, positive will be good. Index, SPI and CPI. If it is less than 1, you're doing bad. If it is more than 1, you're doing good. So as simple as that. This table is going to be very helpful in terms of drawing conclusions on the questions that you will receive on your PMP exam. One other thing that you can remember is that the lower the index or variance, the worse the project is doing. So if you are getting lower values, specifically less than 1, well, the project is not doing good. When it comes to indexes, if you're going minus, if you're going negative in your variances, the project is not going good. But if you are above 1 in indexes and positive on variances, then your project is doing good. As simple as that. This is a handy tip to remember. By the way, before we end this video, I'd like to remind you two things. Do hit the like button if you enjoyed the video right now, and don't forget to grab the PMP study plan, the free PMP study plan at pmclounge.com/PMP study plan. This is where we have defined what you need to do for the next 50 days to clear your PMP exam. Hundreds of PMP aspirants have downloaded it and benefited from it. That's all that we had in this video. Do subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and don't forget to check out the website pmclounge.com, your #1 free PMP resource. Thank you.